Now, children, coming to the end of this lesson, as I told you all, we can see some quotes of Dr. Ambedkar and brush up our knowledge here. The sovereignty of scriptures of all religions must come to an end if we want to have a united, integrated, modern India. Next one, learn to live in this world with self-respect. Third one, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life and its orbit is always the spirit of age. Next one, be educated, be organized, be agitated. Religion is for man and not man for religion. I want all people to be Indians first, Indians last, and nothing else but Indians. These are the quotes, important quotes which are given by Ambedkar, children. So now we have understood. I hope this lesson, it was really nice, and where until we get the equality, Ambedkar's dream of Samatha will come to a reality, we have to face each and everything. So have a nice day, children. I hope you have understood this, and if I come to the summary of this, so I am going to just have a small glance, that is the summary here. So as I told you right from the beginning, so here what was the symbol of revolt, everything we know, and we have studied, we have gone through it very clearly. And now, children, Ambedkar was influenced a great deal by the 14th Amendment of Constitution of USA, for it gave freedom to the black Americans. He found parallel to the situation of depressed classes in India. He was also influenced by the work of Mahatma Phule, who set up Satya Sodak Samaj and advocated emancipation of women, depressed classes and classless society. Ambedkar started 3 newspapers, namely Muk Nayak, Baiskrit Bharat and Samatha, the voice, the opinion of depressed classes. He also set up institutions like Hitakarini Sabha and political party called Independent Labour Party to become vehicles of change. Gandhiji was trying to bring about an epic reform for untouchables whom he called as Harijans. And later on, as per Act of 1935, Ambedkar contested the elections and got elected to Bombay Legislative Assembly. His flair of legislative work was seen when he was made the chairman of drafting committee in the Constituent Assembly. His major contribution to the nation is including fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Along with other luminaries like Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer, K.M. Munshi and Gopal Swami Iyengar, he made vital contributions to the Constitution. With the help from B.N. Rao, he was able to explain complicated legal concepts to layman in a simple language. Ambedkar, as the first law minister, had a clear perception about mutuality of 3 pillars or organs of state, example, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Constitution is a fundamental document that defines the position and power of 3 organs as against the citizen. They check each other. People from scheduled caste have come up here. So what is that? Even the scheduled caste have come up in society and are occupying high offices of state at both center and state levels. Discriminations that are still taking place need to be removed. Also, misdirected and volatile agitations should not be allowed, for it results in loss of lives and public property. As a follower of Buddhism, he believed that only 2 divisions are there: noble and wholesome people and ignoble and unwholesome people. Tamil poetess Havai felt that two divisions in society were charitable and miserly people. The Britishers practiced divide and rule policy and divided people on the basis of their religion, caste. Gandhiji and Ambedkar tried to remove these distinctions. Ambedkar passed away in December 1956. Nehru made a reference to it in Lok Sabha, appreciating his perseverance, and not allow people to become complacent about giving rights to oppressed class. Ambedkar was a champion of the oppressed and depressed classes in India. A day may come when his dream of Samatha may become a reality, children. So, I hope everyone you have understood it. So, children, have a nice day. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay at home, and I want every child to read the lesson. You have to read from the beginning whatever I have explained, whatever the important points I have given to you, but your part of work is you have to read the lesson once. Have a nice day, children. Bye.